Olivia, and in this video we're going to show you how to do beachy waves like this. It's very quick, and I learned actually how to do it through my hairdresser and also watching YouTube videos like this. I hope you enjoy it, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I do is I comb through my hair to make sure all the tangles are out and to make sure the hair is sleek and easy to curl. Then I'm going to spray some heat protective spray so my hair doesn't get damaged from the curling iron. Right now I'm using Orlando Pita Play, which really smells great. The second thing I do is I spray some dry shampoo into the roots of my hair, and then I also get a little bit on the outside so it smells nice. And right now I'm using Marc True Professional Coconut Clear Dry Shampoo. I usually change it up, but for now that's what I'm using. Do a quick comb through again, and you're going to take about a couple inches of hair. I do rather bigger pieces because I like the bigger, beachier waves. I don't really like the tight curls. Now, on your left side of the hair, you're going to want to use your left hand to hold the hair. And then you're going to use the right hand to hold the curling iron. And you're going to be moving your left hand back towards your head, if that makes sense. And the curling iron I'm using right now is the bedhead wand, and I really, really like it. I've had it for a little bit now, and it does the job. Okay, so you're going to want to hold the wand in for about 30 seconds. Obviously, if you got a lot of hair in one of the curls, and leave it in a little bit longer. But for the most part, 30 seconds will do just fine. So keep getting about 1 to 2 inches of sections until that side is complete. And make sure you don't forget the bottom of the hair. Don't just do the top. Okay, so I'm going to speed this up, because you don't need to see me doing this the whole time. Okay, so when you get to the right side of the hair, you want to switch hands. So now you're going to be grabbing the hair with your right hand and the wand with your left hand. And again, you want to be moving the right hand back towards your head when you're curling it around the wand. Since I part my hair to the side, I have a lot more hair on this side, so it takes a little bit longer. Now the hair near your face is a little bit, I feel like I don't want it too tight. So you want to maybe keep it in the wand a little bit less than 30 seconds so it's not so tight around the face. I like it a little bit looser. But we can speed this up because it goes on for a little bit because I have a lot of hair on this side, so I will do that. Now the back of your hair you want to use any hand that's more comfortable for you, whatever you feel that is, and you just want to make sure that you leave it in a little bit longer. Obviously, take a mirror and make sure it looks good in the back before you're complete. But yeah, so that's basically all you're going to want to do, and just really make sure everything is done and ready. And then you can either pull your fingers through the hair if you want a little more undone look. But if you're looking for a little more smooth and sleek look, you can comb the curls with, I use a bigger comb. And then when that's all pretty much done and I feel like it looks pretty good, I mean, I may touch up a few things here and there and maybe use the curling iron to make it a little bit better. But I think for now, that looks pretty good. So then what you're going to want to do is just use a little hairspray. That's what I do. Right now I'm using Garnier, how do you say that? Garnier Fructis Full Control hairspray. And I only use a little bit. You don't need too much. And then just kind of fix it until you are good. Okay, so that was my video on how to get Beachy Waves. I've listed all the products below, and I've also got all the information on my website, reneeolivia.com, so please check that out. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it, subscribe, and comment. I would love to hear from you. So take care, and I'll see you next time.